Hello! Following for our next activity of the test automation process, we will now save each of the scripts that were generated. The Selenium IDE saves these scripts in standard HTML format, and every time you are saved, you must assign this extension, otherwise the Selenium IDE ends up saving us an unrecognizable file. We will access here our Firefox and our Selenium IDE again. And to save, just do the following. In Properties, you can copy here the name of your test case and with it selected, you come in File and Save Test As. I'm simply going to access the location where I want to save this script. In case, I will save in our free course folder of Selenium inside attachments. I'm going to create a folder here called Inove Teste. Actually, I can put the name of the automated test scripts. Inside this folder, I'm going to create an HTML call and the other Java call, which will receive our exported scripts. In the next class, you will see how this works. Our focus now here is the HTML folder. Inside the HTML folder, I will create another folder with the name of the suite. And I am following the same pattern of test case naming. I will put it here ST01, that will be the test suite number 1, and we will put the name of the suite that would be contact. The name from the menu that we tested. And inside it, I won't need to create a folder anymore. Now I can save the files. I'm going to put here my first test case, which is the CT01 validate layout, and how I informed it is necessary to add the extension HTML, and that if you notice, incidentally, the Selenium IDE already has up to the format here. We could just click here. Delete the extension. Let me see if it works. We can select here HTML files and it assigns the HTML, but as it comes by default, you need to assign it the extension. So you are going to put HTML. Then you will save and will repeat the procedure for the other test cases. I will select the second by double clicking it. I will copy his name here and I will put Save Test As. It already appears the last place where I saved the first test case. I'm going to save him too, and I'm going to repeat the procedure with the last test case. And since it was not enough, it was also necessary to save the test suite, because this list here is represented for a suite. So to save the suite, just come on File, Save Test Suite as. It will appear there in the directory, and I will put here ST01 contact. That is the same name as the folder. I will also put the HTML, and I will save to make sure the suite was successfully saved. We can open it again and see if the test cases attached to it are loaded. Okay, they've been loaded. My suite is already working perfectly and is already fit to have your test case exported. So, until the next class. Thanks.